Hey, sixth graders. Okay, so I guess we don't get to have an end of the school year together. So I thought I would just make another little video to add to YouTube to tell you all how disappointed I am. And I'm sure a lot of you are pretty bummed that we don't get to come back to school too. Or maybe you're not. I don't know. I'm sure there's some of you at home who are like, woo, I don't have to go back to school. And there are some of you I know who would much rather be at school. So I just wanted to let you know that I love each one of you, and I'm disappointed that, we won't get to see each other again till next school year. Um, let's see. Oh yeah, I don't know what school looks like if we're going to do online learning or how that's going to look yet. We're still waiting on our directions. Um, I have plenty of things I can assign to you if that's the way it goes. So don't worry, I've got lots of math up my sleeve for you. Um, and the last week of school before spring break, when I told you guys to shower every day, wear deodorant, some of you we'd be having a personal talk after spring break. It looks like a few of you just lucked out. So now you have months and months to perfect your daily bathing and daily deodorant wearing, especially out of consideration for all the people you are at home quarantined with. So that one, you still need to go for that. All right. So anyway, yeah, feel free to email or follow me on Instagram or shoot me messages, whatever, because I will be around. And when I know more of what's going on as far as school, online learning, whatever goes, I will let you guys know. So I love you. Hang in there. Everybody's going to be okay, and we'll all get through this. All right? Enjoy your spring break, your bonus long spring break. Bye, guys.